In this video we're feeling all loved up because I'm going to be showing you how to crochet your own hearts. Hello, my name's Karen Stangroom and welcome to Conquer Crochet, the channel for tips, tricks and techniques for conquering your crochet. Everything I talk about in today's video will be linked in the descriptions below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss a single stitch. So if you're keen to get going with this video, give me a thumbs up and let's do this. For this tutorial for making our quick and easy heart, I'm going to be using Starcraft Aran. This is in the colourway Lipstick. I'm going to be using a 5mm hook. My scissors for cutting off my ends and my yarn needle for sewing in my ends. So to start off, we're going to make a magic ring. If you've not made a magic ring before, I'll put a link up in the cards for you to have a look at my video on making a magic ring. So I'm going to make a magic ring and I'm going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're then going to make 3 double trebles. So that's UK terminology for double treble. That would be 3 trebles in US terminology. So we yarn over and yarn over again. Insert into the magic ring, making sure we're going over both parts. So this little tail is really important that we go through as well. Yarn over and pull back through the ring. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull back through 2, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. And we've made our first double treble. So we need to make 2 more of those. So yarn over, insert into the magic ring, yarn over and pull back through the ring. 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we've now made our 2 double trebles. And 1 more, yarn over, insert into the magic ring, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the final 2. So that's our chains that we did at the beginning and 3 double trebles. We're now going to make 3 trebles. So that would be 3 double crochets in US terminology, 3 trebles in UK. So yarn over, insert into the ring. So we're only yarning over once this time. Insert into the ring, yarn over, pull back through. Should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And again, yarn over and insert. Yarn over, pull back through the ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the final 2 loops on your hook. Now if you find your magic rings getting a bit too big, you can just pull on the tail of the ring just to make it a bit smaller and can make it a bit easier to work with. So we need to do 1 final treble. So yarn over, insert into the ring, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the first half of our heart made. We now need to make the point of the heart, and we do that by chaining 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and then working back up the other side to make the other half of our heart. We're basically going to do the reverse. So we did double trebles here and trebles. So we need to do trebles, then the double trebles. So we're going to make 3 trebles. So yarn over into the ring, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1. Make through the second one. On through the third one, yarn over, insert into the ring, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we've made our 3 trebles. We now need to make our 3 double trebles. Yarn over, insert into the magic ring, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1 double treble. We need to make 2 more. Yarn over, insert into the ring, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2 double trebles. We need another one. Insert into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So that's 1, 2, 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3 double trebles. Now we need to, where we had the chain on this side, we need to chain this side to join it back in. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to slip stitch into the magic ring. So without yarning over, insert our hook through the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull it back through, and then pull through the loop on our hook. Now here you can finish off if you want to, just by yarning over, pulling through and cutting your thread. Or if you wanted to make it a hanging part, we could chain 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that will be our loop for hanging. And then we go back to the magic ring and we do another slip stitch. So we insert, yarn over, pull it through, pull through the one on our hook, and then yarn over, pull through the one on our hook again to fasten off. Slip our yarn and don't tighten it up too much just yet. What we need to do is to close this ring here, and we do that by pulling on the tail of the magic ring. And if we take our tails on the back, and we can weave into the back, take both the tails at once if you've got the room in your yarn needle, just because it saves some time later on rather than weaving it through twice. And if you want to sew it through several times, you can, just to make it more secure. Because I'm using a chunky yarn, it's actually doesn't slide very well. It's okay really just to do it with the one. And there is your heart with your little hanging chain. You can make these chains as big or as small as you want to, depending what you're going to hang them onto. Or you might want to make one without the chain, so when we got to the end here, rather than doing the chains, you just fasten off and then finish off and weave in your ends. So these were made with Stylecraft Aran. I've also made a few using different colours and a different yarn. This is the Patterns 100% cotton. I quite like making things with cotton, particularly this Patterns cotton. It has quite a nice sheen to it. So that's how to crochet your own quick and easy heart. I really hope you found today's tutorial useful. If there are any information that you need to find out about this video, have a look in the descriptions below, where I post all the links to any freebies and other videos I think you might find useful. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed this video, to give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget also to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you've enjoyed it and you'd like to see more of my tutorial videos. There are 2 other videos on screen to help you on your crochet journey, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!